Have you ever struggled with a blank x-axis while values are still appearing on y-axis in a Power BI visual? Do you know why this happened despite having a proper relationship between the fact and dimension tables? As you can see on the screen, let us uncover the reason behind this common Power BI issue. Hello everyone. In this video, I am going to solve this problem, and let me switch to the computer for the demo. So on the screen, you can see the line chart, and here you can see the on x-axis the blank, and it has a sales value, total sales value. So now let me show you the relationship between the sales table and the date dimension table. So for this demo, just focus on the date dimension table and the sales table. So date dimension table has a relationship with the sales table, one to many relationship. So in the date dimension table, you can see the date column. This is the continuous date column. On top of date, month we have week and week number and year. And in the sales table, there are the other columns also, and you can see the sales date. So it has a relationship between the date dimension and the sales table on the date column, one to many relationship. So here the relationship is perfectly fine. Now we'll go back. So we'll talk about the why this is happening actually. So let me open a sales table. So in sales table, there are some orphan record. What this means? There are some additional dates actually in the sales table which is not there in your date dimension table. And date dimension table is the dimension table and the parent table, and sales table is a child table and the fact table. So that is the record which are not having any relationship with the date dimension table or from the date column is called as an orphan record, and because of that you have seen the blanks. Now how to resolve it? So now let me add a new visual. Is a column chart here, and I'll try to reproduce first and then show you how to resolve it. And from the data model, I will add a month here, and I'll say it is month. And from the sales table, I have a measure called as a total sales. So you can see the total sales equal to sum x, table name, and the price multiplied by order quantity to find out total sales. So I'll add this actually into a y-axis. And in formatting option, I will go and I'll say style is type is category wise. So here again you can see the big column, and where the x-axis is blank, and we have a sales total sales value. Now what I'm going to do, I will open this measure to resolve this problem, and I'll wrap with the calculate function. Calculate, and now I'll close the calculate first. And here I will add a comma, and I'll come to the next line, and here I will add a one function, all no blank row. This function is basically a similar to all function. It remove all the context filter from the table, from the column. In addition to that, it remove all orphan records from the fact table. So this is the additional. If you want to differentiate between the all and all no blank row, this is the main difference. It eliminates the blank records or orphan records actually from the fact table. So here I will say date, date dimension underscore date, and I will use a date column, and I'll close the bracket. Okay, and now I'll accept this measure. The moment I accepted this measure, you will see the blank record from the column chart has been removed. And even if I'll go to the line chart, you will see also here the blank record has been removed. That's all for this video, and I request you to please subscribe my channel. Thank you for watching.